In today's class, we will solve 9th Maths Polynomials exercise number 4.3, question number 1. Find the remainder when this polynomial should be divided by these questions. There are 5 questions is there. In part 1, we will solve only first bit. We find the remainder of this polynomial by long division method, and after that we verify the answer. Let's move to our question. First we write our polynomial, that is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and we have to divide this polynomial by x plus 1. This is the first bit. In next video we solve the second bit. Okay, we finding remainder by long division method. To solve this, just follow some simple steps. First we have to see the first term of these two. Here is x cube and here is x. We are dividing these two terms, x cube divided by x. We are cancelling x, 1x here and x here, then remaining part is x square. After dividing these two terms, we got x square. Put this x square here and we multiply x square with x plus 1. First we multiply x square to first term and then x square to 1. X square into x is x cube plus x square into 1 is 1x square. We write this term here, x cube plus 1x square. This is the rough work. Actual division is here. We change the sign, here minus and here also plus is there, so it is minus. Plus minus get cancelled. Here 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2x square and the remaining thing is 3x plus 1. Now again we follow the same steps. First we have to see the first term of these two. The first term is 2x square divided by x. Okay, x get cancelled, 1x remains here, it is 2x. First write down 2x here, then we multiply 2x with x plus 1. First term to first term we multiply 2x with x, that is 2x square plus 2x to 1, 2 1s are 2 and then x. Write these terms here, that is 2x square plus 2x. Okay, we change the sign here, plus minus get cancelled. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, that is 1. X is as it is plus 1. Again we follow the same steps. First term and the first term. The first term is 1x and here the first term is only x. So x get cancelled, remains 1. We put this 1 here. Then we multiply 1 with x plus 1. We multiply 1 with x is 1x plus 1 into 1 is 1. Put this term here and change the sign. Here plus minus get cancelled, here plus minus get cancelled. The remainder is 0 here. Here remainder is 0. We verify by factor theorem. First we write this polynomial in proper way, that is p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Here we find the value of x. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Take plus 1 to this side, it will become minus 1. Then the value of x is minus 1. Put x minus 1 in this polynomial. Then wherever x is there, we replace it with minus 1. And minus 1 cube plus 3 minus 1 square plus 3. X is there, so we write minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. See here, minus 1 cube means we have to write minus 1 3 times. Okay. Minus plus minus minus. 1 1 1, 1 1 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. 3 as it is. Minus 1 square is plus 1. See here, minus 1 into minus 1 square means we have to write 2 times. Minus minus plus 1 1 1. So we put here plus 1 and here is plus minus minus. 3 1 3 plus 1. Okay, here we open the bracket. Minus 1 plus plus plus, and this one is 3 1 3 and minus and plus 1. 3 plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. That is remainder is 0. So we verify the remainder is 0. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share our channel. Thanks for watching. In next video we will solve the second bit of this question.